Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a simple option in schedule. One of the user asked for this option. How do we make the totals in a schedule? It's a very simple option. We also have all about schedules video, and for his question, so I'm going with this tutorial. Um, Going ahead with the sorting and grouping of the schedule, and make sure that you enable this option. Grand total needs to be shown, and with the name you can rename it whatever the names that you like to have. So for example, total, and the column that you wanted to make out of the total, it's very much important. So you can go ahead to the formatting option. We wanted to calculate the area, which is simple. You select the area field and make sure that calculate total option is ticked, and if it is not, no calculation, it won't happens. Make sure it is selected and select OK. And also, if you wanted to apply a conditional formatting, this is also one of his question. If you want to check the conditional formatting, that if any area less than 50 square feet value, you have to highlight them, or if it is 60 less than 60 value, we have to highlight them. For that, go ahead with the formatting, and in the formatting tab, you will be able to see the conditional format. Just make sure you select the right column, and you can go ahead with the conditional formatting area. And if the value is less than, and which is 60 square feet, and make that cell value as red. So this could be one of our conditional formatting for our area checking option. Once you do that, you will be able to find the cells that is less than 60 square foot. So this can be applied for quality checking purpose also, and this can be applied for our rules and regulation meetouts also for the rooms that we are planning to do it. So with that, it's very simple. For a beginner, it will be difficult to understand these fields, but it is very much easy once you go through this with the actual application of it. You will be able to do it much more faster. Do let me know if you have any other questions related to this, and we'll be able to support you on that with another tutorial. And with that, BIMmodeler.com. See you on the next tutorial. Raj, tata.